Throughout the 20th century, irrigation has been considered the answer to many water uncertainties in agriculture. In Asia, more than 80% of the available fresh water is used for irrigation, and 90% of that total irrigation water is used for one crop, rice. Rice is the basic food for millions of people. In Japan and elsewhere, it is also at the core of modern life. From sake to rice paper furnishings, both culturally and economically, rice remains a constant factor in all of Asian life. But rice is also a heavy consumer of water. It takes an average of 5,000 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of rice. In places like Bali, farmers follow the tradition of flooding rice fields as a method of weed control. But over the last 100 years, Asia has been facing a dramatically increasing demand to feed a rapidly growing population. Billions of people depend on rice to live. This ever-increasing demand leads to an inevitable conclusion. Future rice production must focus on far more efficient irrigation systems and a reduced water consumption by the rice plant itself. At the International Research Center for Agricultural Sciences in Ibaraki, Japan, development continues on a new strain of water-efficient, drought-resistant, bug-proof rice known as dry rice.
Dry rice is a very adaptable type of rice. You can grow it in rotation with other crops, and it is more drought resistant and resistant to weeds than any other type of rice.
With this approach, fields no longer have to be flooded continuously by irrigation in order to protect and nurture transplanted rice seedlings. The extent to which pesticides will be needed in this process remains to be seen, and only time will tell if dry rice will be embraced by the marketplace. This experiment is only a beginning of the race to grow more food with less water, a challenge needing the support of all members of society for new ideas and technologies.